All right, guys. So as you can see right over here, I have generated $342.60. Many of you guys are going to be asking, how did you do it? This is not a magic. This is a system. This is a process that you basically need to understand how to do that in order for you to be able to make money with CPA marketing. It takes time and it also requires effort. And you need to make sure that you put this effort together in order for you to be able to earn from CPA network. There are requirements that is needed from you as a CPA marketer in order for you to earn a commission. And that is the only way when you meet this requirement, that is the only way you can be able to earn this amount of money. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can be able to meet this requirement and be able to put this effort together so that you'll be able to be eligible to earn from CPA network. No matter which network you want to use, you can use AdBlue Media, OG Ads, Masbante, just like as you can see now that I am using CPAgrip.com. And I am also trying my best to also generate income from this platform. Okay, so if you come down right over here, basically you can see a lot of options that you are going to be going through. As a beginner, you need to understand each of these options. So when you understand all these options, that is when you can be able to understand what to do and what not to do, because every system has policy. Okay, now if you come right over here, don't worry guys, because at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a strategy that will help you to scale up your earning from this particular CPA network. Now, if you come over here, you're going to see that we have offer tools. We have monetization tools. Basically, these two options are very much important in every other options apart from the payment center, where you are basically going to be entering your bank account in terms of when you are eligible to withdraw for that particular month, then the CPA network will pay the money directly into that particular account. So, but in order for you to work, because you need to work before you can now expect your revenue, before you can now begin to expect income, right? So you need to take note of these two options, the monetization tools and then the offer to section. I'm going to take a little time to explain them one after the other, okay? The monetization tools, basically, it gives you an avenue or opportunity for you to monetize a digital item. Okay, now this digital item is a hook that you're going to be using to drive traffic. Okay, now people are in need of one or two important things. And if you can be able to create those things that these people need through what they need, you can make them to take action on monetization tools and you earn a commission for yourself. Then in the case of the offer tools, basically these are already dedicated offers for each countries. Okay. Now, as a marketer, you are going to be targeting each of these offers based on which country these offers are coming from. If I scroll down right over here, you're going to be seeing top performing offers, recently added offers. Let me come down here. Now, right over here, you're going to see that we have what we call top performing offers. And each of these offers are dedicated only to a specific country. And that is in the offer tools. So if you want to go ahead and promote this particular offer, you need to make sure that you are in that country or your traffic is coming from that country. So if your traffic is not coming from that country, if, for example, this one is Australia, now if your traffic, which is the audience that you are targeting, are not in Australia, they are not anywhere around Australia, and maybe they are in another country and they take action on this offer you are promoting, just note that you are not going to earn any commission. So my strategy I'm going to be revealing in this video is going to enable you to understand how you can be able to ensure that your targeted traffic, your targeted audience are in Australia and they can be able to take action. And when they take action, that is only when you can get paid 47 cents. Or if it is this particular country, France, you can now get paid $2.84. If you come down here, you're going to see different offers you can basically target. By augmenting and implementing the strategy effectively, then you are going to be rest assured that you are 100% sure that when these people take action and the CPA network confirms the traffic that they are actually in that country, you earn this commission: $4.28, $2.73, and so on. So basically, this is exactly what you need to pay attention to. So if you understand the offer tools, you understand the monetization tools, then you are already on your way making money from CPA network. All right, guys. So now that you have understood the offer tools, you have understood this CPA monetization tools, and then you want to go ahead and start the work. Now, there are some things that you need to put in place. The first thing you need to understand in the process is landing page. Now, if you don't know how to build a landing page, you are going to be sharing your capital, your earning from someone else who knows how to create landing page. And that is why I am taking my time to explain and giving you the simple way of creating landing page, not you thinking that landing page is a difficult thing. Okay, so what you need to do in this process is to come to site.google.com, and you're going to basically click on the tick plus right over here. If you click on it, you're going to go ahead and create a landing page. You can actually do this on your mobile phone as well as your PC, as you can see me doing right now. Now, if you come right over here on the side here, you're going to click on delete, and then you're going to make sure that all the elements that you don't need are all deleted. And if you come right over to the side here, you're going to see different elements like text box, images, embedded drive, and so many other content blocks that you can basically drag into this interface in order for you to design exactly how you want your landing page to look like. What is most important about landing page, guys? Landing page is actually going to be helping you housing every single link of the CPA offer you want to promote. Remember that even if you are going to be using the strategy I'm going to introduce to you at the end of this particular video, you also need this landing page, because that is the gateway. If any click is detected on your CPA account and it does not come from a specific landing page, it's going to be a kind of suspicious activity. So therefore, you need to bridge the page. You need to make sure that you bridging the page with a landing page, so that once a click comes in from any country or from a particular audience, it will be recorded that, okay, this landing page this offer is clicked from social landing page being promoted from this place, because these are going to be tracked. Okay, and once they are all tracked, then you are going to be qualified for that particular earning, right? So, and now you are going to come over here and click on text box, and once you start the text box, you can basically type whatever you want, and then make sure that you highlight it, and then you come over here and you click on insert. Once you click on insert, you're going to paste the link that you copied from CPA network. After copying the link, then the next thing is for you to go ahead and click on apply. And once you click on apply, if you have any other link, you can also come over here, click on this text box and enter another text, and then hyperlink it, and then enter the link that you copy from CPA network. So of course, you can go ahead and do this process if you have multiple offer you want to project. Now, it is very important, because this is where a lot of you guys make mistake. Now, when creating a landing page, you see a particular offer that is paying $20, you copy it. Then you see another offer that is paying $10, you copy it. You don't consider these two offers you have copied, are they in the same country? Sometimes they might be in different countries like Australia and France and so on. But if you copy them randomly and dump them on your landing page, then what is the essence of conversion? Because when someone from Australia sees the offer that you are placing, the second offer from France, and is more attractive and decide to click it, he might not get exactly what he's looking for. In other words, he has sent a negative signal to your CPA network that the person clicking on this link is from another country. So that is why you have to make sure that every single offer that you want to go ahead and place in your landing page are relatively related. So if they are all related, or they are all Australia offers, you are good to go ahead and place them in one landing page. Of course, they could be 2, they could be 3, they could be 4 and 5. Okay. After that, you are going to now proceed to the next stage, which is the strategy itself. Okay, the strategy itself, which will help you to start making money from CPA network. All right, guys. So the strategy I'm going to be revealing in this video is very simple and it's a secret method. And I want you to pay attention to this strategy because I am not going to be revealing everything here in this video. Okay. Now I'm going to give you an oversight of what this strategy is all about and how you can actually be able to. This is a new strategy that I decided to crack down. And this strategy is not like the previous strategy we have been using before. This is 100% working strategy. Okay. So the first thing you need is actually you need to get your access location. And to get access location, you are going to be coming straight to this website. The access location is what is going to actually uh, grant you access to a specific country where you basically need to generate those traffic, those audience. All right. Now, once you get this access location by coming over to this particular website, okay, I will leave a link to this website in the video description, and you're going to see that you can basically create access location from different countries like Slovenia, Portugal, United States, and so on. So the access location is going to grant you opportunity to be able to make sure that, okay, your traffic is targeted from United States. Your traffic is targeted from Australia. Your traffic is targeted from different country. And in my next two I'm going to be revealing to you is also going to give you access to how to change and optimize your system or your device, so such that most of the CPA offers that you want to actually grab will be from United States and mobile phone. So if it is a mobile or Android phone, you need to make sure that you configure your system to match that particular device that is required for that particular offer before it will work. Okay. So the first thing you need is access location, and you need to make sure that the access location is active and it is premium. So over here, I've created access location for Portugal and I've created access location for Slovenia. I've also created access location for United States. I'm going to be targeting these 3 countries in a week. So like now, I'm going to be focusing on United States. And once I get exactly what I want, I will abandon that particular country and then focus on Portugal in another day. And that's how I'm going to continue rotating this traffic in each day until that week is over. And once the week is over, I'm going to now go ahead and switch to other country randomly like this. But once I see that there's limited offer for a specific country, then I'm going to be separating my engagement whereby I can give interval of time before I can actually be able to create a new access location. So coming right over here now, I'm going to now go ahead and copy the link of this particular access location. And once I copy the link of this access location, I will now move on straight to the second tool I'm going to reveal, which is where I will be making sure that everything is properly configured such that I will be 100% active in my system setup. All right, guys. So this is the second tool, and taking note that if you come over to this tool, we have 3 major things that we are going to activate. The first thing we're going to activate is the synchronization. Okay. Now we are going to synchronize the system. The second option we're going to also activate is the DNS. Okay. Of course, if you click the link below this video and get access to the masterclass where I'm going to sit down one-on-one with you to explain exactly what each of these options are doing and what they can actually do for you in order for you to be 100% secure and safe, then you are going to go ahead and check out the link below this video and get access to the master training. Okay. Now, this master's training is one-on-one mentorship where I will take you by hand and walk you through the entire process so they can be able to understand how the system works. Then if you come over here, limited web ROTC, which is the third one, they are all going to be checked in. And once they are checked in, the next option you're going to come over here is you are going to make sure that these options are configured properly. We have the cognito. You can choose any browser of your choice. Right now, the browser that is here is Tor browser. Then we'll have container 1, container 2, container 3, container 4. Then we also have the set proxy, we have tap proxy, we have quick add, and so on. So you are going to make sure that it is properly configured like this so that it can be able to be secured as you are working with the system. Then you can see that we have global exclusion. If there is any security configuration system that you need to exclude, then you're going to make sure that they are all embedded in this particular global exclusion. Okay, so after that, then you are going to now go ahead and click on save button. Once you click on the save button, then you proceed to the actual action. The actual action is where you are going to be visiting the landing page itself, which you have created. The landing page that you have created that is hosting the list of the offers you are specifically actually working on. So take note that you have listed about 3 to 5 different similar offers in the same country. So you're going to be looking at each of the offer one after the other in order for you to go ahead and create income from that particular offers one by one. All right, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video and turn on the bell icon so I can get notified once a new video is published. This is Macro Hustle TV. And in this channel, I focus more on teach how to make money online, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, tips and tricks that can help you to scale up and grow your business online. As you can see right over here, this is what I just generated today. And you can also do the same thing only if you implement the process correctly and take action by making sure that you apply the effort, okay? And if you want to join my one-on-one mentorship training course, which is the master class where I will hold you by hands directly and then walk you through the process, then configure the system with you in your own device so you can be able to actually benefit exactly what I am benefiting, then go ahead and hit on the link below this video or connect with me through WhatsApp, DM me, and I'm going to be responding to you directly. My WhatsApp number will be in the description of this video. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.